Hi, my name is Emmaline Kent, and I'm a senior at Nipmuc Regional High School in Upton, Massachusetts. As of today, March 25th, 2020, I have successfully completed 2 VHS classes, Criminology and Screenwriting, and I am in the middle of my third VHS course, American Pop Music. I've enjoyed all 3 classes, but when I first read this question, one class in one project immediately popped into my head. The activity that inspired me the most was my final script project in my screenwriting VHS class. There were 3 variations of this project that people could choose from, but the overall goal was to capture our 15 weeks of learning within a short script. I chose to write 15 pages about the relationship between 2 sisters, and I would absolutely consider it a fail. Though I made the page limit, I failed to develop the characters, create smooth dialogue, and format it correctly. It was a mess, and at the time I was extremely disappointed in myself. I had always been interested in screenwriting because I like writing in general, and when I passed in that script, I felt so discouraged. However, in retrospect, I realized just how much I learned from that project. I think the most important lesson I learned, though it sounds painfully cliche, is to never give up. I could have easily walked away from this course and never attempted screenwriting ever again, but luckily, I stuck with it. Since this project, I've made about 7 scripts. I guess 8 if you include the one I made for this video. Some of them were for school projects, and some were just for my personal portfolio. But that script project inspired me not to let any of my learning go to waste. I took that class at the end of my junior year in high school, and after that last project, I spent a lot of time exploring other aspects of filmmaking. That project introduced me to editing, directing, producing, and all that fun stuff. In fact, I collaborated with a friend who also took that VHS course, and we used our screenwriting skills and made a script called Make It Better. We recently took it from just words on a piece of paper and made it into a 5-minute short film. I am incredibly proud of my short film, and I owe its success to that first script failure. I now plan to major in film production in college, and I have VHS to thank for that. And I am so very excited to build upon the foundation of knowledge that I have gained from VHS.